In this video lecture, I'm going to teach you how to remove a folder from its directory. Okay, so I gave you this as an assignment, and if you got it right, you go ahead and check out my code and know if that is what you did, because I believe that by now you should have done that so that you can be able to remove any of those folders from there. So let me go ahead and show you how to do that. First of all, import OS, and let's go ahead and print os.remove directory, and the name of this directory is Python folder. Okay, so go ahead and run this code, and this is process finish free exit code 0. So go ahead and check this out, and you can see that Python folder, one of the folders we created earlier in the previous lecture, has been removed from this directory and is now empty. So go ahead and play with it. And if you have any question, please use the question and answer section, and I'm going to get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much, and I'm going to see you in the next video lecture.